I'll finish that in a second. Full size classical guitar, Vicente Sanchis, made in Spain. And we got this and traded. We had trade. Beautiful guitar, great sounding. Made in 2003, but really great condition for that. I mean, hardly ever played. There's a few, things here or there on it, but really great condition. Model 39 Pro. Got the cedar top.
Nice finish on it. A lot of these imported ones, even the ones from Italy and Spain, have a very thick, nasty finish on it. This one's a nice thin finish on it.
Nice 78 fretboard, 25.5 scale length, 2.1 inch nut width, but feels really comfortable. Sounds full. I think that's what you get with these full size. Came with a pickup, which is a little unusual for a classical guitar. Just a nice piezo pickup, no volume or tone here, but natural pickup for a classical guitar like this. Comes with a nice case, and it's fun to play. Definitely for fingerstyle, it's nice to have a little bit of a wider width because you really can get your fingers in there. Hear that bass, it really resonates in. Because these classical guitars, I mean, they're meant to be played without an amp, without a pickup, in a concert setting, so they have to be loud.
Right.
And if you do anything like a concerto or something like that, then you need to be heard over the orchestra as well. But great guitar, sounds good, really great condition. Nice to have a Spanish-made instrument. I mean, that's the birthplace of so much of what we do here with guitars. I feel like I gotta finish my song here, so I'm gonna finish. That was the very beginning. What I played was a song I wrote called Meditatio 12 in my book for Meditatio. So let me just finish that little part of it. Alright, great sounding.
It's good.
39
Sounds good.
Pro, yeah, feels good. Vicente Sanchis, available at one place. Where?
TerraCarterMusicStore.com and in person.